Ready to ditch the awkward cash exchanges and step into the world of seamless digital payments? Let's dive into getting you set up with Cash App first. Download the app from your app store. Why Euro? It's free. Tap the icon to open it, and the app will prompt you to enter either your phone number or email address for verification. Choose your preferred method and hit Next. Cash App will then send you a verification code. Type that code into the app. Now it's time to create your Cash App account. The app will ask for your first and last name. This is important, as it's how people can verify that the account they are sending money to is the right person. After that, you get to create a $cashtag. Your $cashtag is your unique username within Cash App, making it super easy for friends and family to find you. Choose something memorable and appropriate, since this is what people will use to send you money. Then tap Next. Alright, you're in. This is your Cash App home screen. To send money, simply enter the amount you want to send and then tap the Pay button. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's $cashtag, phone number, or email address. Add a note describing what the payment is for. Why Euro? Lunch, rent, etc. Why Euro? Tap Pay and confirm. Receiving money is even easier. Just have the sender follow these same steps, but using your $cashtag, phone number, or email. You'll receive a notification when the money arrives. To view your transaction history, tap the Activity tab here. You'll see a record of all your past transactions and manage any pending requests. Now click on the Banking tab. Here you can link your bank account or debit card for easy transfers in and out of Cash App. You can also order a free cash card, which is a debit card that you can use to spend your Cash App balance anywhere. Visa is accepted. And that is it. There are other things to explore. You can even invest in stocks or Bitcoin directly from the app. Just note that there are risks involved with investing. That's the basics of using Cash App. Welcome to the world of hassle-free digital payments.